If you're asking how AI is going to impact you, you're asking the wrong question. Instead, you should be asking, how can you go out and grab it and take advantage of it and be one of those people that can thrive in what's coming? One of those people who will gain some of the projected trillions of dollars of value that this is supposed to create, and not somebody left behind. And that's not a rhetorical question. I mean, who doesn't want part of trillions of dollars? Everybody wants that. Now, I say this because the AI revolution is different. Unlike the pandemic or inflation or wars you could do nothing about, this is a new challenge that you are fully in control of. Because these new AI capabilities are purpose-built for you to take advantage of them, to empower you to do more and your company to do more. I don't have every answer about how to use generative AI. No one does. But I'm on a mission to teach you and others how to use it to thrive. I'm here to help you understand that there are only two ways to get part of those trillions of dollars. Only two. First, you can use generative AI to cut your costs. Unfortunately, that is going to mean cutting people, contractors, vendors, as you can use AI to do a lot of the work they did previously. Or second, you can use it to increase your innovation. How you use your ingenuity and combine it with generative AI to create new value that somebody else will pay you for. So the only option that serves all of the employees, businesses, and community interests is to harness AI for innovation. And that means to take any productivity gains your organization gets and redirect it over to creating new growth and revenue for your company. But the challenge is that innovation is hard. Over 90% of innovation projects fail to even give a return on investment. 90%. So if you want to thrive with generative AI and get parts of those trillions of dollars, you and your business need to learn new skills from AI to innovation.